The periodic table is laid out in the rows to illustrate recurring periodic trends in the chemical behaviors of the elements as their atomic number increases. A new row is begun when chemical behavior begins to repeat, meaning that elements with similar behavior fall into the same vertical columns. As a rule, period 5 elements fill their 5s shells first, then their 4d and 5p in that order. However, there are some exceptions such as rhodium. Yes, period 6 element is one of the chemical elements, as I already discussed. The periodic table, that is including lanthanides. Well, a period 6 is one of the chemical elements. As I told you, the 6th period contains 32 elements, tied for the most with period 7, beginning with cesium and ending with radon. Lead is currently the last stable element. All subsequent elements are radioactive. For bismuth, however, is only the primordial isotope. Bismuth has a half-life of more than 10 to the power of 19 years, or a billion times longer than the current age of the universe. Electronic configuration is also one of the important things. The 7 elements fill their 7 shells first, then their 5f, 6d and 7 shells in that order. However, there are exceptions such as plutonium. My dear friends, the periodic table of the chemical elements belongs to the 7th period of the periodic table. Francium, radium, actinium, rutherfordium, debinium, seaborgium, bohrium, hassium, meithium, and up to the 109 that is remaining are on under discovery or investigation. Well friends, a new row is begun when chemical behavior begins to repeat, meaning that elements with similar behavior fall into the same vertical columns. The 7th period contains 32 elements, as I already discussed, tied for a most with the period 6, beginning with francium and ending with oganesson, the heaviest element currently discovered. Electronic configuration, as a rule, which gives period 7 elements fill their 7s shells first, then their 5f, then 6d and then 7p shells in that order. However, there are some exceptions such as plutonium. So these are the important periods from 1 to 7. We are already discussed in the previous classes, my dear friends. This is very important information by the Mendeleev's modern periodic table. Like